Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed and welcome back to day 2 of my Scrapbook.com freebies and Christmas card series. So I make a Christmas card almost once a day for the next few weeks and showing you off the freebie. Today's freebie is all about the Sizzix die that is a little flower. Same die as yesterday, but now I'm going to show you how you can die cut out of felt. So one of the tips I give you is, especially if you're going to use a cuddle book or something, is put a piece of felt, same felt you're using, down below as kind of like a shim, and it cuts a heck of a lot better. And so go ahead and run that through. All right, so here is our little flower, and just like yesterday, we are going to roll it. But for this particular one, if you notice the original pattern paper or the original felt, it had all these little, dots of glitter on it. I want to see them. Glitter facing up. So start and roll, and just start rolling it towards you. Around itself, so easy. And I want this to be a nice open flower, so I'm really going to make it nice and open, just like that. Look how pretty. It's kind of hard with the white. I'm sorry. The white makes everything kind of difficult to see. But look how gorgeous that is. Okay, I'm going to flip that over. A little bit of a different glue. This is my super tight all-purpose glue. It's a fast drying glue, so I want everything to be super easy to, quick to dry. Oh, it flipped up on itself. There we go, a little spiral. And the other cool thing is that these flowers are easy to fix. That's what's nice. Okay, so there we go. Look how cool that is. I'm going to set that guy off to the side. And yeah, I can see some of the glitter in there. And as always, just as a heads up, links and supplies are going to be down below where you guys can get all your own supplies, just like you see here. And also so that you guys can order your own item from scrapbook.com to get your freebie, which today happens to be the flower. You never know what's going to be tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. So make sure you come back every day for about the next 3 weeks. It's almost every day. There's a couple of days where there's a little bit of a gap. If you notice, what I just did is I took the white ink. It's Umbrella Crafts. This is their old one, but they've just renamed it, and it's just the Scrapbook.com ink. I am now taking a Jelly Roll pen. I should have done this the other way around, but that's okay. And I'm going to emphasize and make this. This card is going to be all about white and craft. It is so pretty. Everything is white and craft. I just love that combination. So as you can see, that faux stitching going all the way around there. It is awesome. From here, I'm going to pull out my Xyron tape runner, add my adhesive to the back of my card, layer the card, and I just love that craft on craft. It gives it that illusion that there's just more going on than there really is. It's kind of cool. It's fun. All right, the next thing is I have this little bit of lace, and I'm going to add a bead of glue going across the very, very top right here. And lay my lace down. Any fun lace that you happen to have would be great. I love the dangly parts, but we are going to glue those down. So coming on top, and I'm just going to add a little glue to where every little dangle is, because I don't want this to get messed up. So just coming in and add a tiny bit of glue. I'm going to speed through this because you guys don't need to see me add glue, glue, glue. Look how pretty. I love it. All right, I have another gorgeous trim from Expert National. I just want to add layer upon layer of just beautiful stuff. So going a little bit lower, right across here, another bead of glue, and it's just this beautiful, like fringy eyelash trim. I don't know, it's just gorgeous. And it has these little hanging beads. So I've trimmed that to length, and yeah, it's going to come off, and it's going to be kind of all over, and that's kind of cool. So those pieces, I kind of want to have be loose. They're just going to kind of dangle on there. It's just so pretty. Now what I have is I have my 3 flowers. I picked out 2 actual flowers, and then my little felt flower that I have is the center. So you just layer it up. Nothing that says you have to have all your flowers be super matchy-matchy. I know it's white and you're going to see it better at the very end of the picture, but I'll hold it up so you guys can see it here in a minute. Add your first flower on here, and I'm going in the corner here, right here in the corner. Add my second flower right there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glue here in the center. And I'm using this particular glue because I've got lots of different layers of fabrics and felts and paper and all kinds of stuff happening. There's even a little bit of some metal and some plastic. So I'm using an all-purpose glue from Super Tight, which has got like no odor, a lot less stuff in it, won't cause cancer, safe for kids, all kind of stuff. And so whoever gets it, it's going to be no issue. All right, so just kind of glue that in, and look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Even though the whites are a little bit of a different white, I just love that. And I love the layers, the different trims. It's so gorgeous. I love it. So I have this cute little stamp set from Alt New, and I have one that says Hark the Angel, and I'm just going to stamp it right here in the corner, right there. I'm going to do it in the white. So I'm just taking my white ink and I'm stamping it on there. I want this all to be Kraft and white, everything Kraft and white. Really emphasize it. And come in and then just stamp in that corner. Come in and stamp, lift up, and look how pretty. I love it. It's just really kind of a different Christmas card. The only thing that really screams Christmas on this is the Hark the Angels Sing. So you could take any kind of a stamp. You could turn this into a wedding card, an anniversary card, all kinds of fun cards. It really can go any direction you want to. This even be a baby shower card if you want to. Just adding that Kraft and white and then whatever kind of little stamp you put in the corner. It's so much fun. So don't forget to check out the links down below where you can get your own freebie spiral die from Sizzix. And on top of the spiral die from Sizzix, there's a ton of sales going on. I think up to 20 to 50% off of all Sizzix at scrapbook.com right now. And they have some really cool bundles happening with all their fun Sizzix things. So thanks so much for stopping by. Please subscribe and hit that bell button, and I will see you guys again later. Bye-bye.